Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the updated steps on how to add a cover photo to your profile on the X app. Whether you're refreshing your profile or adding a personal touch, this guide will make the process simple and quick. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once the app is launched, log in if you haven't already. Next, navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now, tap the Edit Profile button. This option allows you to make changes to various aspects of your profile, including your cover photo. Once inside the editing menu, tap on Cover. This is where you'll upload or change your cover photo. Select your new cover photo from your device's gallery. Browse through your images and choose one that best represents you or fits the theme of your profile. After selecting the image, adjust it as needed. You can reposition or resize the photo to ensure it looks perfect. Take a moment to align it just right for a polished appearance. Finally, tap Save to confirm your changes. Your new cover photo will now be displayed on your profile for everyone to see. And that's it. You've successfully updated your cover photo on the X app. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need assistance. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing.